Guys, huwag niyo natawagin akong tita, guys. Don't call me tita na. Do you know why? I cannot be a tita anymore. Because we had a meeting. I don't want to say what kind of meeting, but it's an exciting meeting that we had. So, ayun, we had a meeting. Tapos, kinalata ko ni Ate Jobs. Sabi niya, wag, Aya, I know you, tinatawag ng tita, but don't embrace too much. Hindi, like, parang, yung thought is parang, wag ako masyado magdual sa pagkatita ko. Kasi, nakakatanda siya for me. You know, I have to stay freshy and youthful, guys. Stop calling me tita. Call me baby. Feeling. Stop calling me tita. Come here, baby. Yuck, cringe. Ew. No. Girly. Yun, girly na lang. Girly. Bukang ng baby dun mo ba? Well, don't call me tita, but your mommy. Yuck! Ayoko. Erase. Yuck. Cringe. Cringe na yuck may 424 pa naman namin. Erase. Yuck. BBQ. Ano na lang. Call me girly. What's up, girly? Yuck, erase to. Uy, yuck. Ew, cringe ba ito, uy? Ew. Who am I? Or sis. Yeah. Girly, no? I like girly. Girlie. Gawin naman sa ante, uy. Girly, I like girly. Aya, girly. Ayun. Call me that. Yeah. And na-call out din yung fashion ko daw. Kasi minsan daw I dress like a tita. Guys, tita ba talaga ako manamit? Ano lang naman I dress modest lang naman Di kasi ako kasi alam mo yung, ano ba fashion ng Gen Z ngayon? Di ba mga crop top, tattered pants, or malaki na pants. Gen Z man, uy. Sige, mag-ano na ako. Hala, you'll see me crop top na may buslot ba? Alam mo yung mga crop top na yung mga butas-butas. Tapos may print, baby girl. Tapos yung jeans, yung pants ko is yung hindi bell bottoms. Flare pants. Ano ba uso ngayon? Tapos shoes ko. Ano ba? Ano bang uso na ngayon? Jordan. Tapos yung hair ko is, ano ba hair ng Gen Z, guys? Braided. Uy. Hindi, I will stick to my Gabi naman yung tita. Uy, tita ba talaga ako? Kasi, well, actually, kasi manamit ako very like very parang, alam mo yung parang may meeting lagi. Wala, kasi it's I like, very mga casual formal kasi yung damitan ko minsan. Like, long sleeves, tapos trousers, trousers. Ma-trousers ako. Next time, magugulat ako, na ako. Naka-crop top na may butas-butas. Alam mo yung butas-butas sa sa crop top na parang, na parang, asa na kinit-kitan sa ilaga ba? Ang taguan.